Hi, Mary here with Big Cartel Support, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Google custom domain to point to your Big Cartel shop. To do this, you'll need to be on one of our paid plans, and you'll have already purchased your domain from GoogleDomains directly. If you haven't purchased a domain yet, you can actually do that from within your Big Cartel admin. We have instructions on that on our help site, so you can go to help.bigcartel.com and search Google, and you'll see steps for setting that up. But if you do already have a domain, let's start by logging into your Google account at domains.google.com. So when you do that, you'll go to the My Domains section, and you can see a list of all of your custom domains. I have two, but the one I want to work on today is shoppyshopshop.com. So I'm going to click the little Manage button, and now I'm on the domain overview page for that custom URL. So I want to go to the DNS section, which is found in the side navigation bar. And now I can customize my DNS settings to point this custom domain to my Big Cartel shop. So I'm going to scroll to the synthetic records section, and then I'm going to make sure that in the drop-down menu here I have subdomain forward selected. So it's already set there. And then in the subdomain section I want to just add the @ symbol. And then in the destination URL, I want to enter my full custom URL, including the www. So I'm going to type www.shopshop.com. And then I want to make sure to select permanent redirect 301, and then I want to keep the do not forward path selected and disable SSL. So we don't want to enable SSL here because Big Cartel actually provides an SSL certificate for you, so you just want to click the disable and then select add. Okay, so now I want to scroll to the custom records section, and this is where I'm going to point my custom URL to my bigcartel.com URL. So in the area, I'm going to enter www. And then from the drop-down menu, I'm going to select CNAME. And then I'll leave this at 1 hour. And then here I'm going to enter my full Big Cartel URL. So my shop is shoppyshop.bigcartel.com. And your Big Cartel URL will also end in .bigcartel.com. And then I'm going to click Add. So now I have all my settings in my Google Domains account configured, and I'm just going to go over to my Big Cartel admin, and you can see I'm already logged in. I'm on the account page, and under the Your Shop section you can see my Big Cartel URL is right here, and I want to add my custom domain here, so I'm going to click Edit Your Shop Info, click the little plus next to Add a Custom Domain. I already own a domain, so I'm going to click Add Domain, and then I'm going to enter my full custom domain, including the www. And if everything went as planned, I should see a success message. But I didn't. So now, okay, I don't want to panic. I just want to look at my settings. So that says shoppyshopshop.com, so I did enter it correctly. If I go back over here, I can look at my subdomain forward. That looks right. Shoppyshopshop, permanent. That looks correct. My CNAME looks right. So you know what I think happened is that I was just really fast. I configured this quickly, and then I tried to add it to my Big Cartel admin too quickly, and it just takes a little bit of time, so I'm going to try adding that again. Oops. Okay, let's hope it works. And it did, so that was the issue. I was just too fast. You know, I gotta slow my roll and take a minute. So if that happens, go through, look at your settings, stand up, stretch your arms, take a minute, and then try re-entering it. And it could just be that it needed a little bit of time. So now you can see that I have both my Big Cartel URL listed and my custom domain listed, and I have a little yellow padlock. And what that means is that the SSL certificate is still generating. So that can take a little bit of time to generate too, and once it's ready it should turn to green. You can click the little Learn More button if you want to know more about what the SSL certificate is doing. And if that goes green, you're all set. If it does turn red, you'll want to contact our support team, and you can reach us at support@bigcartel.com. You can see that email here. But otherwise, that's it. We've done it. So if you have questions about that, please reach out. Again, you can email us, or you can log into your admin and you'll see a chat bubble in the bottom right corner, and you can send us a message there. We're happy to help you anytime. Take care.